Mr. Zeman, thanks very much for your time
Yes,
today.
absolutely.
Appreciate it. Glad to be here at Longwood with you. You've had a front row seat to all of the construction over what was a very busy summer. Tell us what's changed here for the kids.
Well, specifically in this space, we had it as a part of our flooring project. So we had every single classroom, every single hallway, and our LMC with brand new flooring. Specifically in this space, all of the lighting was replaced with brand new LED lighting. We used to have hanging lights in here, so now you get a much larger, more open and inviting space. We were very fortunate with the flooring project that our LMC director was able to completely clear out the space, start from scratch, and redesign it so it became a much more functional and user-friendly spot. So
have any of the students been able to see it yet?
Well, luckily we had a few of our lunch and recess staff members that have kids that go here, came through the past few days, even earlier this morning, and got to see the space, and the student was almost in tears. She was so excited because it looked like a real library. That's what she was excited to share.
That's great. We want all of our kids to have a real library.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Yeah. Great. What else around the school has been touched this summer?
Yep, so this summer, along with the flooring project and the lighting in here, we had every single student bathroom updated. Some of them had completely new floors put in, all new dividers in there, so they are clean, safe, welcoming spaces for our students. We also had all of the flooring in all classrooms done this summer. Last summer was another big piece of it, so this has been a multi-year project here. We had our entire vestibule and main office redone, so it is incredibly safe and secure, but also just provides the right space for the right meetings at the right time. So it's been very good.
It's great. I mean, walking in the front door, you've got this beautiful, bright, welcoming for the students with those decals on the glass, and then now it follows all the way through the school. The flooring, the lighting, much brighter, much warmer for your students here at the school.
Yeah, it absolutely does. And I think the way that I've described it to our community here is that they started about 2.5 years ago at the playground, worked their way inside, and now it is truly the place that they deserve, and the building matches the mindset and the focus that the kids and staff have.
That's great.
Yeah.
Getting the building working with you as opposed to a building that sometimes is working against you.
Absolutely. And I think the ability to come in and have teachers take everything out of their space, which is a very stressful, big moment for them. As we've been able to kind of make our way through the building here, getting ready for the year, they have come up with the most organized, student-centered learning spaces that are going to just be really supportive of learning this year.
That's great. Yeah. That's great. From the front door to the playground and everywhere in between.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for taking some time to talk with us today. Really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Have a great day on Monday.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks for your time, Principal Cornish. Appreciate it. Great to be back at Still with you again.
Thank you. It's great to have you here.
You've had a ton of construction. You're sitting in your new office. Tell us from a student perspective what they're going to see that'll be different next week when they come back.
Awesome. So when the students come into the main entrance, they used to come in one set of doors and then they were there in the main hallway. They will come through 2 sets of secure doors. This is the transaction window. You can pass paper through here. You can actually hear through this side to make sure that that person inside can hear you. And then if they needed to go all the way into the main office for a meeting or anything else, then they would be buzzed in through this secure door. So students will come in. We will actually have a staff member here.
Okay.
And this door was locked, so we'll come in on this entrance. So they'll come into this main space, whether from the car line or the buses, and this area, that entire space there used to be windows. And so the main office was there, they would stop there for something, and now they will have to walk down the hall and head to the left to go to the main office through that door.
What I really like about this is that all students enter to the same place. So it brings the whole school together. This is great, fantastic space though. You've got all the natural light coming in from both sides and the transoms up above as well.
They also put up our sign to show when the building was established. We made sure some of these things stayed in the building in the same spots they were located before.
The legacy pieces.
Yes.
It's great. Well, they've done a tremendous amount of work in a short amount of time to get you ready for students on Monday.
They really have, and we'll be ready.
Okay, have a great first day.
Thank you. It's great to see you.
Always a pleasure.